We're sitting in the hallway.
Because the winds just started picking up and our lights flickered
Like 4 times.
3 or 4 times now.
4 times, yeah.
So we're
Or
just
5.
chilling
I
in
think
the
it was
hallway.
5. I think it was 5.
Oh, it might have been 5.
Because in the hallway.
Got our flashlights near us. Rocky's chilling in his kennel.
Like
And we're hanging out with some pillows and
one
blanket in the hallway. So we'll keep you all updated.
Oh, I'll be right back. We're back and we're still in the hallway.
Yep.
The hallway.
Just chilling like villains.
Chilling like Matt Dillon on penicillin.
Oh, sorry! I dropped you guys!
Alright.